surrounded with a scenic beauty in my right side and also in my left side right there. Look at that. That's in my left side. In my right side, look at that. And beyond me is wonderful, supernatural. It's like a man-made beauty right here with that mini lake over there, and at the other side also. So beautiful and majestic to look upon. Look at this. Alaska at its best. Wow. And that's why I never and will never tired driving through in this beautiful road. Look at that. Can you see that beyond me? The mountains right there that are decorated with white snow, with this magnificent scenery right there at my left side. Oh Lord, this is a perfect Sabbath for me to spend in the creation of God. What a magnificent to behold. See that? Wow. This is more than the Sabbath school lesson that we study every Sabbath school. This is a perfect Sabbath school lesson, creation of God, in where God speaks His nature and His character, and it's being revealed through this wonderful nature right here. See that? So my friends, sometimes it's nice to go out in Sabbath and spend time with God in the nature, because God can also speak to you through nature. Whatever you see in the nature, that's God's character. He reveals His character through the beauty of the nature that He created, and nothing that you can say but to be staggered because of the beauty and the magnificent and awesomeness of our Creator God in heaven. And for me, I can always praise God, not because of what the things that He have done for all of us and for me personally, but because of who He is. And yeah, no human mind can comprehend, can fathom, and can explain the awesomeness and the intelligence and the wisdom of God. So all I can do is that to praise Him forever and ever. This is your friend Efren Caroro. Happy Sabbath to everyone, and happy 4th of July to everyone also. And bye bye for now, right here in Alaska. See you in my next video.